Hi. Hey, yeah. Let me show you Agentic AI in action with the demo. Right. Agentic AI means, you just give a task and it does everything. Right. For example, right now you set the destination where you want to go, and now the Agentic AI will go and figure out all the hotels, all other details required for your comfortable stay using the other tools, and it makes a whole experience for you. Let's watch it in full action. Plan a 5-day Tokyo family trip in December with $2,000 budget. Start the agent. Now it's doing the execution, calling MCP tools, model context protocol tools. The planning agent, there is an execution agent for knowing the currency to be required used in Tokyo, Japan. And there is another, it is calling another system, RAG query, retrieval augmented generative. Actually, this is another AI agent, another AI system, right? So this MCP agent is calling another AI system, that is RAG system here, and it is going and searching the hotels across all over the internet. It go and surf against the internet and find the best hotel for you on your the criteria you set for, like whether you want in a particular budget, all that stuff. So it does a hotel search. Right now it makes a complete information. It compiles the complete information. Right now, yeah, you see the complete information. It gives a budget breakdown, itinerary, accommodation, weather info. Right, it used tools like weather API, currency converter, RAG query, hotel search. These are all MCP servers. Right now, as an MCP agent, as a client, it went through the MCP server and it pulled up the information, and it does LLM augmentation right here. So this is all agentic AI. Agentic AI is, you just say one task and it does everything. So yeah, now on this site, agentic AI demo.versal.app, I have staged few more interactive demos for you to experience. So API demos, rack system, MCP agents. API demos is basically plain, question and answer. You ask a question, right? You ask a question asking like, what is the weather in Tokyo, right? Like something weather API. Now, what does it does? Fetches current weather conditions, temperature, and forecast for any activity. So in Tokyo, get weather, right? So it just it just gets us the weather. The similar way, I want to know the news. Right now, it goes and it fetches the news for us. I want to know the currency conversion, like from dollar to Japan, right? And it gets me. Right now, you can run all of this in parallel, but this is all question to answer. There is no intelligence here. It's only question and answer. Right now, there is another demo I have staged for you, RAG system, retrieval augmented generation, where you actually put your documents in a vector database, and you question the document, you question that vector database the way you want in a semantic search. Right, you can experience that as well here. So it loaded 3 documents: Tokyo family activities, December weather, Tokyo budget planning. This is all a staged demo for you to understand. Right now, embeddings. Right now, the documents are converted as embeddings vectors, like in mathematics. Now vector storage, now we are storing in local chroma db. You can use open search, all other stuffs when you build a real app, but for local, chroma db is fine. We can ship small apps using chroma db. Now there's a user query: what are the family friendly activities in Tokyo with kids? Execute. Right, so now this query is converted. This, there is embedding generated for this query. Actually, query converted to embeddings for the semantic search. Right, now find the relevant documents. Now it found relevant documents. This is the question. So our question is converted as like this vector. And now what are the other documents related to our question? Now you can see the embeddings here, right? And the best match retrieved. So how does the best match retrieved? There is a data science behind it. So when we really implement this system, we will understand the data science as well. Go to next. Now RAG system. Yeah, now the complete answer. Right, it gave the talk what is the we asked this system to let us know the activities. Now it gave us the all top recommendations: Tokyo, Disneyland, Disney, all that stuff. XYZ. Yeah. Now you can go here and feel free to use the site agentic AI-demo.versal.app anytime from wherever you are located on this planet, right? And if you want to talk to me more on this, or if you want to learn how to implement, if you want to discuss about data science, or the ingestion or inference pipeline, how do we host this application for a real business use case on AWS using Bedrock or Azure using GPT models, cloud models, I can talk and I can explain the real data science behind it. How can we control the hallucinations? How can we give a very clean and targeted experience to the business use cases? If let's think like that, you are in a business of making trips for your customers. Now you have a customer, you have a who is asking you to plan a trip actually for Tokyo. Now he's going through multiple vendors, right? Now how can you give a best price for him? So you can go using agentic AI, you can go to your competitors package, and you yourself can go and find out all the information and curate a competitive pricing for your customer and win the deal. So this is how in action happens in agentic AI, right? It's very powerful. Please, please feel free to talk to me, right? Any questions or anytime you want to just talk to me, yeah, just send a message here or email me. So we'll set up some time and we can discuss your use case or your learning, whatever, right? We are ready to talk. Thank you.